Stop by and take a look at the 2020 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, steel wheels, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.